Here's the second drink in our MSC thing. This is, like we said, this is a continuation from the Lodley de Loca drink challenge Tony introduced last month. This is Amanda's favorite MSC drink. It's called Purple Rain.
Purple Rain.
There's a lot of products, as you can see, that's associated with this drink, so we're going to get started. Okay, the first thing you do, you want a hurricane glass, pina colada glass, whatever, you know, just one of these. The first thing you do, you put grenadine in it, probably about half an ounce of grenadine.
Just a little bit at the bottom.
That's your first thing. It's going to settle in there. You know, that's the first step.
Maybe a little bit more.
And just remember, the grenadine is really sweet, so you want to use as little as you just no more than half an ounce. Okay, for your mix, once again we're going to use the Bacardi Oakhart. You put 1.5 ounces of that. You put 1.5 ounces of your favorite vodka. We use exclusive vodka.
Pretty good.
It's basically Grey Goose in a cheaper bottle. I'm not joking. It was $15 compared to $31. You know, but it's the same. You put 1 ounce of peach schnapps. Once again, it's irrelevant of the brands. We have Mr. Boston. It's $6. It's the same proof as anything else. So basically, you know, just whatever. And then you put 3.5 ounces of sweet and sour. You could probably get away with a little less, but we're going to do 3.5 ounces because this is what we've done. Okay, and then you're going to shake this. And the key to this is when you shake it, you shake it pretty good, mix it up, and then when you pour it, you want to pour it really slow, because if you go too fast, it'll mix in with the red. You want it to you want it to settle on the top. So if you have to get a spoon and put it in there and pour it or whatever, you want it to pour it really slow. Okay, it's starting to take form there. You got your first layer of your red, you got your middle layer of your white, and then you want to make your blue, which is going to be a floater. Once again, 1/2 ounce of gin, 1/2 ounce of blue curaçao. Curaçao. And then you just swish it around, slowly pour.
So then you got your 3 colors here.
Put it up there where everybody can see it. And then this, red, white, and blue, that's the beginning. Then obviously, it's purple. And eventually it's going to turn into purple. Purple Rain. And if you're wondering what it tastes like a margarita, but it doesn't have tequila. So if you're not a tequila fan, maybe this is something that you will enjoy because it tastes just like a margarita. So, but yeah, this is our 2 drinks that we really enjoyed on the MSC Divina. We had these several times, unfortunately. Anyways, they're good. Few people asked us to make them, so we made them. Enjoy. Cheers.
We'll post the recipes in the description of the video so you can make your own.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.